we're talking about superstorms, our main story for this week and next week. Just like wild weather that hit Florida, superstorms is a nonfiction story. And we know that a nonfiction story is text that provides true facts about a topic. Now, I've just given you a minute to look through the photographs in the story Superstorms. Okay? With wild weather hits Florida, we did some predicting. We used what we knew to come up with an educated guess, okay, about what we thought that our story was going to be about. We predicted about wild weather hits Florida. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to think and get our minds wrapped around our new story for this week and next week, Superstorms. Let's review our vocabulary to make sure that we are sure what our vocabulary means. Okay? So let's go over our vocabulary that we're going to hear in the story. Violent, showing, or caused by great physical force. Beware, to be on the lookout for something dangerous. Beware. Prevent, to stop or keep something from happening. Prevent. Uprooted, pulled all the way out of the ground. Uprooted. Remember, one of the vocabulary definitions we heard said that the roots are out, okay? Uprooted. Look for those clue words. Destroy, to completely ruin something. And grasslands. Large open areas of land covered with grass. So let's think just a minute about our nonfiction story, Superstorms. You've had a chance to flip through the pictures. We know the title is Superstorms. That should be something to think about. We also know our vocabulary, and we reviewed it just now. So with all of that information that you have either read or looked at through the pictures or heard when I called out the vocabulary words and definitions, think in your mind, get your predictions ready as to what you think our story is going to be about. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to read Superstorms together in class. We're going to discuss first what our predictions are, what we think that the story is going to be about from all of the information that we've gathered. Okay? Then we're going to listen to the story. We're going to read the story together. And we're going to see if our predictions, using our good thinking minds, using the information that we know, see if we can come up with what we think and what actually happens are the same. Let's see how good of predictors we can be. After we've heard the story, we're going to talk about it and discuss what we've learned from our story. Okay? So let's read together Superstorms.